More details of the next-gen Ford Ranger have been revealed, including footage of the car without bulky camouflage. As the new Ranger takes to the streets in Australia and New Zealand for final ride and handling testing, this is what Joe Public will see. And yes, that QR code will take you to Ford's official propaganda website. Set to be revealed later in 2021, Australia's top-selling 4x4 dual cab will be a bigger, more capable ute when it goes on sale in 2022. And best of all, it'll have more muscle, thanks to higher output turbocharged V6 engines with potentially up to 300 kilowatts of power for top spec Raptor models, and enhanced 4-cylinder engines as well. It will maintain and potentially eclipse its class-leading towing and payload capacities too. Showing off a tough new design, the front end will feature a butch new look with F-150 inspired LED headlights and, as this new press image shows, the basic taillight cluster has been replaced with a more intricate LED unit. Riding on an upgraded ladder frame architecture with new suspension and an updated 4x4 driveline, the new Ranger is expected to deliver improvements in all areas, especially off-road capability. Several tech upgrades, including enhanced driver assistance technologies and more cabin tech, will include bigger touchscreens and a digital driver's display. Stay tuned to Car Sales for more Ranger news as we get it.